All right, 3 gringos have made it to El Peñol. Yeah, we just hopped off the bus randomly because we think this is the spot, so let's find out if it is. Sick shit.
Yeah, because I thought we were going to Guatape, but I guess
we bought a ticket to Guatape. Damn. Interesting. Don't step on that. Shit will fuck you up. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta admit, we are pretty fucking lost.
Oh, we are?
Gotta admit.
So we consider lost?
Yeah.
I think we blend with the locals.
Oh, yeah. All right, we have wandered into this store. Yo, they got shots right here, bro. This ain't religious. Come on now. We're in a religious store, but
come on now.
They got the shots.
Yin yang. This is the yang, then you got the other side, which is all the religious stuff.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, damn. That's true.
Jesus is over there watching.
Anyways, what's that? You gonna get that poncho?
Fuck, I ain't gonna poncho.
Look at the other one, bro. This is that fucking Versace, dude.
Yeah, that's sick.
God damn, bro. Look at that.
That one's kind of cool.
Bro, look at this one, though.
Oh my gosh, you're in freaking lions and tigers, dude, aren't you? What do you got, a horse on there?
Woo! That's 1 horsepower right there.
Him and this 1 horsepower crap, dude.
Yeah, so we made it to the Gucci store. Get some ponchos.
Okay, well.
Hey, you show a wallet with us.
We're gonna get some coffee samples right now. Okay.
Pues es muy desorganizada, bueno. Y es por algo, por allá en todo lado, toda loca.
¿No quieres ser famosa?
No, pues sí.
Yo, come try this coffee. It's ready.
Ya, dígales que vengan y prueben.
Yeah, they were kind of sick.
Yeah.
Trippy. Show the trippy.
Let's go, trippy.
We should probably go back through. Look at this stray dog. Oh man, he's coming to me. That's a stray fucking wolf, dude. The fuck? Wants to join us for the party. Let's go back. All right, we are stumbling through our way, trying to figure out where we are, what there is to do out here in El Peñol. And thus far, pretty interesting little town. 3 gringos don't know where we are.
Oh, we're somewhere.
But man.
Those flowers, bro, they look so nice. I love all the flowers, they're all beautiful. These oranges are pretty sick though.
Yeah, look at that, it's on both sides.
Lo blanco es ayuda en lo blanco.
Ajá. Wow. No, creo que no es por acá, sí.
Is that the address directly to the Airbnb?
Yeah, it's like a GPS location is what he gave me. Eso es Hotel Happy Buddha?
Happy Buddha.
This middle crap?
Okay, podemos caminar de aquí.
Hay que mirar si es ahí, si es por ahí o en otra entrada, porque es que
Yo,
la entrada es la que no... Puede que haya que hacer una entrada o esa entrada es la que yo le di.
Mira que él dice.
We don't need him going down there. I'm going to get the cars.
I just don't have any service here is the problem. ¿Podemos caminar de aquí? Sí. Okay, ¿cuánto es? 30. 30. On some cartel guy's property here.
Alright,
So, yeah.
We just got dropped off. Quite the bumpy road. I think, right? Yeah, no, it's quite bumpy.
Well, here we are. Our Airbnb is supposed to be somewhere around here. And we got 3 gringos that can barely speak Spanish. That's the Happy Buddha Beach. I guess there's some Buddha-ass motherfuckers out here. I'm trying to call them, but nothing's going through, so.
We're on an adventure, boys.
Somebody's house.
Oh.
So we're definitely not in the right spot.
We're at somebody's house now.
There's a hot tub and shit right here.
Yeah, for them.
Oh, and there's a fucking dog.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely don't want to be over there. There's something over there. Oh, there's a hot tub. Yeah. Let's get down there. Yeah. I think we found where we need to be. And we need to figure out how to get down there through all these bushes. So we're gonna have to do some Rambo shit to these bushes here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's a sign right there. Hold on, read that.
The beach cockpit. Oh yeah, that's
It's got surfboards.
Where? Oh.
There's the helicopter tours. All right, well, this doesn't look like it. It is that house, bro. It is that house because look, here's the thing. This says no trespassing and it's barbed wired up. We can't go through here.
Yeah? We can try.
Let's go through the fucking front door like some normal ass motherfuckers, dude.
It's gonna be a whole hike back up.
Come on, man. He's probably waiting at the front door. Let's roll.
Hey, bro.
There is a fucking barbecue up there and everything.
So how are we gonna get in there? Through that gate?
We have to go to that gate, yeah. That's it. Oh, yeah. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Probably.
Estaban sin señal.
Sí.
Yo le estaba timbrando.
Ah, sí. Well, I guess we have arrived.
You've probably seen us down there. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah. Whew.
These hood.
Alright, this is the spot we got.
Alrighty, we have just arrived in the Airbnb. This is it right here. Bam. On a boat. Right out here we got the little patio area. That motherfucker's up there talking shit. We got some life jackets just in case we start sinking. Here's one of the bedrooms. Bam. Just in case you want to fucking swim early in the morning. I guess you unlock this. You go for a little swim. Bam. Polar plunge. As soon as you wake up. No time wasted. This is my little area. This is the view that I got going on right here. Bam. Now, let us check the upstairs so you can see what's going on up there. Got a motherfucker doing push-ups. Some sick shit. Got the hot tub. You know, we're gonna be getting nice and warm up there later on. Overall, gonna be pretty interesting, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. I mean, take a look at this. This is paradise in Colombia.
Paradise.
Y'all are still knocking doors.
Alrighty, we have arrived to some kind of town, the town of Guatape, and we are trying to find some food.
Carrying me away with all the
Yo, 101 Dalmatians right there.
Yeah, bro, that dog's cute.
Anyways, this is pretty popping, honestly.
Yeah, I would never have my dog off the leash. And he wants
This is the shop if we want anything.
Yeah.
Take a look.
Holy shit, yeah, let's go in there. Damn, bro, this is it.
Comfy one.
This is the
That's a
fucking,
walking blanket right
yeah, it's 100,000, 25 bucks about. This is all knockoff.
Oh, I know.
For show.
Oh, show.
What the fuck's going on back here? Bro, this is like Home Depot. This is like Home Depot, the bike shop, the clothing store, and the miscellaneous store all in one, dude.
Yeah, and then you go back there, it's and beyond, like the movie Click.
And beyond.
You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yo, look at this. Whatever the fuck your heart desires, dude. All mixed in. You just gotta find it. It's like a thrift store. Yeah, they're looking at us because we're very suspicious looking.
Good eyes, bro.
Yeah, I bet.
Sheesh. Hey man, trying to get geared up. Next time they wear green, we'll be up in there. Oh yeah, stupid bad. That's why I walked in there. I had to go see what was happening.
CBD chocolate. Huh.
Yo, we should get this shit, dude. Get lit tonight, man.
That's what I'm saying.
50,000 pesos each. Oh, that's right. You got no money.
I do.
Oh shit. Bro, the Pablo Escobar coffee, dude. Don Pablo Cafe. This is real Colombian coffee. Dude, honestly, I might get that shit for the crib to take back. Coca-Cola? Dude, this is Coca-Cola beer.
Really?
Yeah.
Someone got dropped pretty hard. They're still selling it.
Yeah. Hey, you still get lit? Dude, do they actually have these like parasail things out here? The balloon things? I wouldn't do it, but they actually have it. Yo, next time you take the raw page, just get yourself one of these and just sit in front of it and just hum to it. Just hum and touch it, bro.
Actually,
Yeah.
not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Probably something I would do.
Yeah.
I got a harmonica. You think that's not out of reach?
It's out of reach. Just random shit up here. Nothing too interesting looking. Let's go back down.
Food.
Where?
It said food's on this.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Are you able to get the money?
I don't know, man. Oh my god. That motherfucker just dropped.
Coca leaf tea right there.
Where?
Right there.
Are you serious? Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Tú tienes hojas de coca? ¿Hojas de coca? Sí. Pero tienes en bolsa.
Sí. Mira, en esta presentación de 50 gramos hoy está a 250.
Wow. ¿Este? ¿Cuánto es este?
Vale 40,000 pesos y es media libra.
40,000 pesos.
It's a big bag.
Ya. Ok. Puedo comprar este. Yo.
Muchísimas gracias.
They got weed drinks.
Really? ¿Cómo? Sí. Yo, dude, this is what I've been looking for.
Bueno, yo no sé leer.
Gracias.
You literally have frappe, bro. Look.
Dude, there's a cocktail.
That's my nose still.
Gracias. They have the rape?
Yeah, right there.
What?
Yeah.
Rape yahe.
Yeah, literally. Straight out.
Look, rape.
Yeah.
Rape.
This is probably one of the.
Oh, that's a cigar, dude.
I might get this actually.
You smoke that cigar?
Tonight, yeah, at the
Yeah.
hotel.
This is not.
This is like sacred. Basically.
Yeah, this is different than the like cigars or like regular like cigarettes. It's way different. One, you don't inhale it into your lungs. you only inhale it in your mouth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's first, and then this is pure tobacco. There's no additives in it. Like cigarettes is all like there's like what 10% tobacco in that shit, and the rest is chemicals. Yeah. This is pure tobacco.
Here, you want to put them in your satchel?
Okay.
¿Le gusta y no las monas?
You say thank you?
I did. Okay, so we have left the ancestral store. The ancestors have blessed us with some cocaine-laced chocolate,
Ancestral
some
Hall.
cocaine powder here, the mambe, and then we got the kilo.
I'm not sure if it's cocaine. I think
We
it's
got the
I think it's a
kilo.
little more.
We got a whole kilo
Yeah.
of coke,
Don't forget about your cigars on the bottom.
kilo of Coca, and we got a little bit of a cigar action for the hot tub later tonight.
We can't forget a lighter. That's
We're gonna get blessed. That's right. We do need. Oh, we could just light it on the stove. Can't
We
we?
need chocolate.
Oh yeah, we could do
Yeah.
We need chocolate and stuff for the fire too. So when you go to like,
Oh, we got
We
chocolate.
got chocolate right here, man. Laced with cocaine right here, bro. So yeah, we are gonna be getting lit tonight. We're staying up until 9 in the morning. We're gonna fucking see the sunrise and set.
And then we're gonna film 20 reels in the morning.
Yep.
I can't.
watch out.
That's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah. It's not bad at all. Energia. Give me some more,
It's
bro.
actually delicious.
Yeah.
Really good.
Doesn't taste like anything. Besides chocolate, of course.
Let's go. Well,
That's a really good chocolate.
cocaine chocolate's pretty good. Ice cream, bro.
Yes. It's my kind of stuff.
Oh. All right, so while we are standing here with poor Albert trying to get some cash out of an ATM, we want to get high. So we got a little bag of that good,
I'm more ceremonial.
that gasoline.
I'm more like, let's do this for connecting to what I do. Like, you see it?
You got some on your lot on your lip.
Whoa. Calm down. Don't put those fingers back in that bag. God damn. How is it?
It just takes a second to kick in, but I feel it.
Well, of course you feel it, bro. You got a fucking mouthful, dude. I don't know how else I'd feel anything if there's that much in my mouth.
We probably can't see it, but we're in the TD.
Here we are. In the middle of the fucking boonies. Barely made it here.
Somehow, somewhere.
Somehow.
Tricycle way, baby.
Yeah. We came down off-roading in a fucking three-wheeler. I don't know if you guys ever seen Mr. Bean, but yeah, those three-wheelers, man, they tend to flip.
You have a fascination with Mr. Bean. I see. You sent that girl at Mr. Bean last night.
Dude, Mr. Bean's a fucking clown, dude. I love it.